Okay, we're going to do this page about complete sentences. Complete means something that's whole or all the way done. Find a spot to write your name on your paper. I need to make my thing smaller. Here we go. I'm going to put it over here. Mrs. Kitsky, you can find a spot wherever you want to write your name. Now, a whole sentence usually tells about a person or a thing, has a noun in it, and tells me what they did. Okay, and it starts with a capital letter, and it always ends with some kind of punctuation, a period, question mark, exclamation mark. So let's look at the first one. It says right here, I will not trick you. Does that sound like a complete sentence, a whole sentence? I think it does, and it has a capital, and it has a period. So we're going to do nothing with that one. We're going to cross out the ones that are not complete sentences or whole sentences. So this next sheep over here, it says, once upon, is that a whole sentence? A complete sentence? No, it's not. So we're going to mark that one out. Okay? All right. His friends ran up the hill. That sounds like a whole sentence to me with a complete thought and a capital and a period, so I think that one we're going to leave alone. All right, what about this one? Wolf got... That doesn't sound like a complete sentence to me because it's not telling me what Wolf got. And there's no capital and there's no period, so let's X out that one. Come on over here to this sheep right here. It says, did not see Wolf. Did not see Wolf. I think I want to know who maybe didn't see Wolf or where they didn't see him. And this right here doesn't have a capital or period, so that is not a complete sentence. Now listen to this. They did not see Wolf. All they had to do was add one word, a capital letter, and a period, and now that is a complete sentence. They did not see Wolf. That makes more sense than just did not see Wolf. So that one is a complete sentence. Leave that one alone. Okay, what about this one? Not trick you. Not trick you. So I don't think that's a whole sentence, a complete sentence, because it's not telling me who is not going to trick you, and there's no capital or period. Now let's listen to this sentence. Jack sat back on the hill. It's telling me who, it's telling me what they did, it's telling me where they are, and it has a capital and a period, so that one is a complete sentence. Let's look at the next sheep over here. It says, I will yell wolf. Oh, it's talking about a person. I will yell wolf, and what I'm going to do, it has a capital letter and a period, so that sounds like a complete sentence, a whole sentence. Now let's look at this sheep right here. It says, to sit. To sit. Is that a complete sentence? No. Okay, look at this next sentence. It says, once upon a time. Now I think they're trying to trick us here because they did a capital, they did a period, and that kind of sounds like a whole sentence. But what I want to know is what happened once upon a time. Once upon a time, what? Jack sat on a hill. Once upon a time, there was a fairy princess. So that one didn't tell me what happened once upon a time. It just told me when. Now, what about this? Is this a complete sentence? Jack. Don't think so. That's just telling me a person. All right. How about ran up the hill? Ran up the hill. So I don't know who is running up the hill. I don't see a capital. I don't see a punctuation. So that is not a complete sentence. It is not fun to sit. It is not fun to sit. That sounds like a whole thought, a complete sentence. And it has a capital and a period. So I think that one is a sentence, a complete sentence. Wolf got up on a rock. Wolf got up on a rock. That one works too. It has a capital and an exclamation. And what about this last one? Wolf. Is that a sentence? No. Sentences have to have more than one word and tell me about something. So that's what the complete sentence is. We crossed off the ones that were not complete sentences. So let Miss J's check that, and then you can put that in your mailbox or in your folder.